This is my John Deere 14 SB push lawnmower. I picked it up on the side of the road free a couple of years ago. It's been a great mower for me, but the tires on the back here are basically, you know, scrubbed flat from the hills. They don't really get any traction anymore, and they leave little marks on my yard when I try to go up the hills. So I got some new wheels, and hopefully that'll restore the drive and make it a little easier when I'm mowing. Alright, so you can see these wheels are pretty tore up. There's not much left of them. So what you do here is you get in behind this little cover. Those little tabs you want to pull out. And it's a 13 millimeter. So the pieces at play here are this little dust shield. Goes on like that. Then you have your first washer, the larger washer. Then you have a small one. Then you have the actual little axle that comes out. We need to keep this little sprocket. This piece, you undo these bolts and you transfer this sprocket over to your new wheels. Okay, so I got these cheapo kind of knockoff non-John Deere wheels here, but basically you take these same screws and reattach your sprocket. So you put your dust shield back up, then your bolt goes through again like this guy. Then small washer, then the big washer. Okay, so I gave her a shot of grease right there, and then we'll put our busted cover right back on there, and we'll be good as new. The front wheel is basically the same. You pull this little cover off, and then you got to get in behind and hold that nut. You got to come in here behind with a wrench and hold that nut so you can run this guy off of there.